behind that tree. Go behind that tree. Okay. Hassan, come in front of the tree. In front of the tree. Sit on the dragon. Taimur. Who is Taimur? Hassan, go and sit on the horse.
Ladybug.
What is this?
Ladybug.
Ladybird. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? Very nice. So this is letter A. Okay, find letter H.
This one.
Yes, this one is
H.
letter E. Okay, find letter C. This is letter K. Find letter C. Hassan, very nice. Okay, find letter D. This is letter. Now find letter K. This one letter K.